Well, my position on mentoring is everybody needs a plan. When I sit down with mentoring my folks, I look at it 5 to 10 to 20 years in terms of what are the objectives that person wants to accomplish. And what you find is when you sit down on I put a big tablet out and I start looking at 5 years and then 10 years and 20 years, you find out that without a plan, you really are kind of out there kind of just going from job to job. And what I find with the mentoring that I do is it helps people to focus on what is it they really want to accomplish and how much time it takes to accomplish that, and what are the prerequisites that need to be taken in order to achieve that particular goal. So I think mentoring is important because it focuses individuals on what the realities are of a particular career or occupation or job series that they might want to accomplish, and then what they need to do to accomplish that. First of all, you have to have someone that you respect, someone that you care about, and someone that you trust that the information that they're going to give you is appropriate for you and correct and will be helpful to you. I think it's important. Another characteristic of a mentor is to have frequent follow-ups. So it's not about sitting down with an individual and spending a few minutes with that person and sort of talking about career options. It is following up every 6 months or a year, whatever the appropriate time is. I know in my experience, I have people come back to me monthly, quarterly, to sort of get a vector check as to how they're performing and on what their career goals. And so frequency, I think, is another big characteristic of mentoring. Well, the first thing I would say is I think you have to figure out kind of where you want to go. What do you want to be in life? What's your end goal? What is your objective? What career would you like to obtain? And then to seek out mentors who are performing that particular occupation or career or job series, because I think they can give you specific experience and advice having sat in those particular jobs. It's always helpful, I think, to deal with people who basically have done what you want to do and then give you the feedback that they have as they went through their career.